Now, Mr. Chairman, just for the information of the members of this committee, we have received a copy of the motion for certiorari with injunction by Police Colonel Grijaldo to the Supreme Court, and we have received a copy not from the Supreme Court, but of course from Police Colonel Grijaldo through his lawyer, Attorney J.P. Mercado. And he has not sent, Mr. Chairman, he has not, for the record, Mr. Chairman, Police Colonel Grijaldo never asked for a motion for reconsideration to this committee, Mr. Chairman. So just for the information of this honorable committee. And we will discuss later, siguro, pag nandito na po si Colonel Grijaldo with regards to the motion for reconsideration, at the same time for possible violation if he will not be attending in today's hearing, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Just for procedural, I just like once again to inform Colonel Grijaldo that you have all the right now to file a motion for reconsideration the day after this hearing. But I do not believe that you will file because in the first contempt order from this committee to you, you file a certiorari in the Supreme Court. Tama po? But still, baka sabihin mo, question of due process, hindi ka namin binibigyan ng due process dito. That's why I reminded you about your right to file a motion for reconsideration tomorrow in this committee. Tinanong ka pa kanina, if you want to have a lawyer, ayaw mo, o di. And I hope, Colonel Grijaldo, after this hearing, you ask your counsel. And I do believe that you will file again a certiorari in the Supreme Court. And that's your right. And let us see what will be the position of the Supreme Court with regards to your pleading. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.